Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to grow on Patreon in 2026. So if you're trying to get more supporters, increase your income, and build a loyal community, this guide will break it down step by step. First, make sure your Patreon page looks clean and professional. Add a clear profile picture, a strong banner, and a bio that explains exactly what you offer. Next, be very clear about your content value. People should instantly understand why they should support you. Whether it's exclusive videos, tutorials, or behind-the-scenes content, make it obvious. Now set up simple and balanced membership tiers. Don't overcomplicate it. Just a few levels like basic, standard, and premium usually work best. Consistency is key. Try to post regularly so your supporters stay engaged and new visitors see that your page is active. Next, promote your Patreon link on social media, YouTube, and anywhere your audience hangs out. The more visibility you get, the faster you grow. Don't just post content, talk to your supporters. Reply to comments, share updates, and make them feel part of your journey. This builds long-term loyalty. Finally, check your analytics to see what's working. Focus on high-performing posts and adjust your strategy based on real data, and that's it. If you stay consistent, improve your content, and engage your audience, you'll grow your Patreon steadily over time. Hey everyone!